Hi, in my video how to create a progress ring in Adobe Xd, I demonstrated to you how to design a simple progress ring using Adobe Xd. Today we are going a little bit further. We are going to take a design from Adobe Xd into After Effects and animate the ring as well as the percentage number. So let's get started. I have already created a blank new document in After Effects. So let's see how to bring the designs from Adobe Xd. I'm going to open Adobe Xd and select the artboard I created. By selecting the artboard, I would go to File, Export, and select After Effects. And that brings all the content from Adobe Xd into After Effects. The design is showing at 50%. I'm going to click this and select 100. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate the ring as well as the percentage number from 0 to 100. To start, let's go to Composition and select Composition Settings. The duration is shown in hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. Let's change it from minute and set it to 10 seconds. Let's go through the layer list. We are interested in only two layers, the text layer and then the ring. To animate the ring from 0 to 100, we need to add Trim Path property. If I select the ring, I can click on this icon to expand the content. You can see under the content, we have ring stroke and ring fill, but we need to animate the ring from 0 to 100 using Trim Path. It is not added by default. We are going to use an add effect in order to add the Trim Path. Let's go to Add and select Trim Path. And this adds the Trim Path property to the contents. Let's select the Trim Path. By selecting the start, I can scrub and you can see we are changing the length of the start. We are only interested in the end property, so we are going to animate the end property. I'll select the end property, and if I scrub, as you can see, we can change it from 0 to 100. First, let's change the end property from 100 to 0 and select the duration. Let's move the playhead precisely to 1 second. At 1 second, we are going to change the end property from 0 to 100. I will deselect the ring and press spacebar in order to animate the ring like so. So this is how to animate the ring. And now let's take a look at how to animate the percentage number from 0 to 100. To animate the number from 0 to 100, we are going to use an expression control. To do so, I'm going to select the text and go to Effect. I'm going to select Expression Controls and use Slider Control. If I click on this icon to expand, you can see we have the effect we just added. I'm going to click on this icon in order to reveal the slider control. Let's expand the slider control and select the slider. I'm going to select the text as well and go to the source text. I'm going to click on the clock icon for the source text, the clock icon for the slider as well. To animate the number from 0 to 100, we are going to make the slider control the parent of the source text. To make the source text the child of the slider, let's select the pick whip for the source text and drag it to the slider control, and that changes the number from 100 to 0. Let's go to the duration and move the playhead precisely to 1 second. At 1 second, we are going to change the slider value from 0 to 100. If I drag the playhead, you can see our number is animating from 0 to 100. Let's deselect the value and press space to preview. You can see it animates from 0 to 100. If you look closely, as it animates from 0, we can see we have some decimal values. We need to get rid of these decimal values. To do so, we are going to use Javascript round method to get rid of the decimal points. I'm going to select the source text and open my browser. We can type into Google JavaScript marked round method. W3Schools explains the round method. The purpose of the round method is to round any decimal number to a nearest integer or a nearest whole number. For example, on this side we have 2.5. We are going to try this ourselves. It's going to convert this 2.5 to 3 like so. So we are going to use the mark.round method to round the animated numbers in After Effects. Let's go back to After Effects again with the slider control selected. Let's go to Animation and Add Expression. I'm going to copy this expression and open my browser again. So in this example, the round method takes this argument or parameter and round it to the nearest whole number. So all we need to do is to replace this value with the expression we generated from After Effects. I'm going to select this value. I have already copied the expression from After Effects. I'm going to press Command V to paste. All we need to do from here is to select the mark.round method and press Command C to copy. Let's go back to After Effects again. I'm going to select the expression, delete, and press Command V to paste from the one we copied from the browser. And as you can see, the number is also animating from 0 to 100. So friends, this is how to create progress rank in Adobe Xd and bring the rank and the percentage number into After Effects for animation. And by using the JavaScript round method, we are able to round the animated decimal values to a whole number.